Hello, welcome to Like Shuttler. Yonex Precision 5.0. Does it ring a bell? So this is one of the latest digital sewing machines. So in this video, we will be doing a review of this machine. Hope you like it. So this is the Precision 5.0 for you. So currently, swinging technician Hiratna is on the machine, cutting a record. So color, as you see, it's red. It's really beautiful. Digital display is also available. Swinging facilities are much more enhanced compared to that. So let me walk you through this particular machine. So these clamps are really easy in handling compared to the ST7000. These two levers are used in clamping the racket, mounting the racket to the particular machine. At 6 particular mounting positions, the racket gets mounted onto the machine. That is of course same with the ST7000 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positions, right? Also, specialty of this machine is actually they have marked particular information on this machine. So here you see the racket, the head should come here, and then the T-joint should come here, right? But then on the ST7000, any particular directions are not mentioned. So normally, if you require, both the sides could be utilized. So that is an advantage on this machine. And also, as you see, let me take you to here. Hiranta, can I show this here? Right. So as you see here, it states 0.7 millimeters, right? So that is really important, right? Through this you could adjust the size of this clamp, right? So I mean, the gauge of the string differs from one model to the other. Depending on the gauge, this could be adjusted. So that adjustment gets really easy due to this, since they had mentioned the gauge here. And then apart from that, it's on this side. So this particular machine is also it's also mentioned here. This particular machine can also be utilized in cutting tennis squash as well. So as you see, this is for badminton, this for tennis. Squash rackets could also be gutted. So this is really important, since they have already marked these things. So let's go to this important part of the machine, the digital display and the digital control panel. So you can select the units of the tension as per your liking, whether it's kilograms or on pounds. So Hiranta will assist me on this maneuver in the control panel. So currently it's on pounds. Yeah, and then it changes into kilograms, right? And the next thing is there are 3 different speed levels, but on the ST7000, of course, there were 6 different speed levels. On this you get low, medium and high. So there are 3 different speed levels on this machine. And then pre-stretching facilities are also available under 5 different levels: 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and then back again to 0, right? And then for knotting, this is also really important. Once you finish the whole and at the beginning also, once you are knotting, you can use this button. And the tension could also be changed in 0.1 increments or 0.1 decrements, up and down, both ways you can do it, right? As you see, yeah, that is how it is. So the knot button can be used in knotting the string. So Hiranta will show you an example of it. So currently it's at 25 pounds. So Hiranta, go ahead. Over again. Yeah, so as you see, knot functionality is on, right? Now it was previously at 25. The general tension value was 25. Now after the knotting function, it jumped up to 28, right? So that is the knotting functionality for you. And then the braking system is also there. Bhirant, could you show us an example of the braking system? Right. Okay. Now the brakes are on. This turntable is currently fixed at its position. It's locked. So once the brakes are off, it's on auto. Now the turntable is easily turnable. Right. So that is about the braking system. Importantly, this has a disc brake system like the modern motor vehicles. On aircrafts also you get the disc brake system. So through this disc brake system, it's really assistive in easy maneuvering and quick responses. So accuracy increases. This is our thoughts about the Yonex Precision 5.0. So we spoke about our experience with it. So next is for us to get your feedback, get your valuable comments. We would like to get progressive criticism. And also at the same time, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Stay safe and stay connected.